What is the process for finding my Apple Pay account number?
Hello and welcome to this guide on how to find your Apple Pay account number. If you've ever wondered how to locate your unique Apple Pay account number, then this tutorial is just for you. This number is essential because it allows you to manage your payments efficiently and securely.
What is an Apple Pay account number?
Before we dive in, it's important to understand what the Apple Pay account number is. Your Apple Pay account number, also known as the device account number, is a unique number assigned to each card you add to Apple Pay. This number is used in place of your actual card number for transactions to ensure your card details remain secure.
How to access your Apple Pay account number on iPhone?
Let's jump right into the process on an iPhone. 1. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone. 2. Tap on the card you'd like to view the Apple Pay account number for. 3. Tap on the ellipsis button, 3 dots, located at the top right corner of the screen. 4. Scroll down and you'll find the device account number. This is your Apple Pay account number for that specific card. Please note, this number will be different for each card you have added to Apple Pay.
How to access your Apple Pay account number on Apple Watch?
For Apple Watch users, the process is slightly different but still simple. 1. Open the Watch app on your iPhone. 2. Tap on the Wallet and Apple Pay section. 3. Select the card for which you'd like to view the Apple Pay account number. 4. Just like on the iPhone, you'll see the device account number. This is your Apple Pay account number for that card on your Apple Watch.
Is it safe to share my Apple Pay account number?
It's crucial to understand that while your Apple Pay account number is a form of your card number, it's designed to be secure and keep your actual card number private. However, it's still recommended to only share this number with trusted entities and only when absolutely necessary. And there you have it, a simple guide to finding your Apple Pay account number on your iPhone and Apple Watch. We hope this guide has been helpful and clarified the process for you. Remember, managing your digital wallet with care is an important step in maintaining your online security. Thank you for watching, and stay safe.